Today I'm making these protein-packed healthy pancakes. I'm going to start off by adding everything to my blender. First I'm going to add 1 medium ripe banana, 2 scoops of my favorite strawberry protein powder, but you can go ahead and use your favorite flavor protein powder, 1 tablespoon of ground flax seeds, and this is to help with digestion of all the protein in these pancakes. 1 tablespoon of coconut flour, 2 tablespoons of oat flour, or you can just add all 3 tablespoons of the same flour, a bunch of spinach, and as you can see I try to pack in as much as I can into this blender, and that's going to give it the nice green color that I want. 2 egg whites. If you're vegan, go ahead and omit this. You'll get the same delicious pancakes. 3 tablespoons of flaxseed milk or your favorite non-dairy milk. Now we're just going to go ahead and blend this until our ingredients are combined and smooth. Now we're just going to spray our pan with coconut oil and add about a 1/4 cup of our batter. And the add-ons are optional. I added chocolate chips, but you can go ahead and add some fresh fruit or any almonds, walnuts, anything that you'd really like. And this batter is going to make about 6 average pancakes. It all depends on how much batter you use. And just repeat until you finish your batter. And when you're finished, go ahead and enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my recipes. I upload Monday through Thursday, and as always, thanks for watching. Talk to you next video.